Good morning everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to use Apache Xtable and run the sync command on AWS Cloud Shell. Xtable allows you to interoperate between Hudi, Iceberg and Delta. So without wasting any further time, let's learn how to run the sync command on Cloud Shell. Alright, so I will straight jump into action. So I do have a sample Apache Hudi table on S3, as you can see, .hudi and some partition, and the table name is invoice. So let's learn how to use Apache Xtable on AWS Cloud Shell. All the steps, by the way, are given on my GitHub README page. So in case if you miss out, come and read this particular README page. All right, so we're gonna get started right now. All right. So the first step is we're gonna make a directory called Apache Xtable. So mkdir. After that, we're gonna cd into the directory. Perfect. And then the next step is we need to set your AWS access, secret, and region. I have already gone and done that before prior to the video. So you need to set these credentials. After that, we're going to install Java, and we can do that by sudo yum install Java, and simply that. I've already installed Java. So, Java version, and as you can see, I do have Java installed. Once you have Java installed, now head over to this URL over here, and then you will see the utility -0.1.0-beta1 bundle jar. Right click and click on copy link. Once you're done with that, now fire this command and paste the URL in this particular bracket or placeholder. So we'll do that right now. So I'm gonna paste the URL over here, as you can see. And then I will download the jar file. So now I'm gonna paste this command on Cloud Shell, and the jar file is now being downloaded in the current directory. So let's wait for this to complete. Should be done relatively soon, hopefully. Almost there. Yeah, 50% is done. So yep. So yeah, the jar file looks like is downloaded, as you can see over here, right? Perfect. Now the next step is, in order to interoperate between Hudi, Iceberg, and Delta, we need to define the YAML, and then we're gonna run the sync command. All right, so we're gonna create this particular file called myconfig.yml file, and I will simply say nano myconfig.yml. Now we need to paste this one in, which means I have a Hudi table on S3, as you can see over here. This is a Hudi table. The target format, I want to interoperate this table into an Iceberg, so I'm saying Iceberg over here, dataset, and then I'm going to provide the path to the Hudi table, the table name, and how my table is partitioned. So let's copy paste this one really quick. So I'm gonna copy paste this one here, and then I'm gonna save this one. All right, so as you can see, I do have a myconfig.yml, and then I have the jar. Now what next, right? Simple. You just need to run the sync command. So we're gonna copy this command, java -jar, the path to the jar file, and the dataset. We're gonna provide the config.yml file. Before I run that, I wanna minimize this to show you that there's no folder currently called metadata, as you can see over here. So as you can see, I fired the Java command, and now it's performing the translation. So now I would see, after this one is complete, I would see a folder called metadata. So let's refresh. Not yet. Yep, there you go, metadata folder. This is the Iceberg related metadata. So now this particular table, you can either interoperate as Hudi tables, right? You can also now read as an Iceberg table. That's all I have for the demo. If you have any further questions, let me know your question in the comment window, and I'll be more than happy to reply to your comments once I get some free time. And also, just an FYI, this steps are listed on the GitHub, so please make sure to go and read these particular steps in case if I missed out anything in the video. That's all. Keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.